Freebird and the Mud Puppy coming to the line. Ought to be a good one. This is for Super Eliminator.
He forgot his today, but he eventually come back. It just took him forever. Oh, we snacked it. We had our tuna salad. That's right. She makes chicken salad for tonight.
Here we go. Mud Puppy's out front. Mud Puppy leads the way. Still on all fours. Freebird passed him up right there. There he is. Freebird took him out. Y'all need a tractor. In spite of everything, gotta have a tractor.